When I was a boy, my folks taught me what it was like to be a part of something good. I was proud of myself and my family. And as I grew, they helped me understand just how lucky I was that I'd grow up and be a man. In one nation under God, a place where I could be free to choose the things that meant the most to me. And in my wildest dreams, I never thought that I would live to see a day when just one man could take away from us kids the right to say those precious words that we had all been taught. One nation under God. When I was in my 20s, I got married and had kids of my own. And it has not been easy, but they've all grown up in a happy home. And when they went to school each day before the class would start, they'd stand up by their desk and place their hands across their hearts. In one nation under God, united they would stand and pledge allegiance to the flag of this great land. And in my wildest dreams, I never thought that I would live to see a day when just one man could take away from those kids the right to say those precious words that soldiers' blood had bought. One nation under God. My dad was a Marine, but he's not here today. But if he were, I guarantee that there'd be hell to pay. If he were here to see, but I'm kinda glad he's not, to see what's just happened to one nation under God.